Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. I'm going to make some spaghetti in here. And in here I've got a half of a bright big onion in here and 3 of those little mini peppers. I've got 2 yellow ones and a red one in here. And I've got the sear saute function on. I'm going to put just a little bit of grapeseed oil in here because I've already got the ground beef cooked or whatever in it, so it's not gonna put off very much oil. Alright, so I think you can see down in there, and here's the ground beef. I'm gonna go on and put that in here, and I'm cooking the spaghetti in my Ninja Foodi, so you'll be able to see. And remember, I'm doing this in my Ninja Foodi, but the way that I'm fixing this, you can also do it exactly like this in your Instant Pot, if you have an Instant Pot. So, I've got the ground beef in here. I've got the onion in here. I've got the peppers in here. I'm going to let them sear. And while this sears, I've got to go and get the spaghetti and spaghetti sauce and stuff like that, and I'll bring you back. Okay, alright, so this is sauteed enough, and this is what I'm going to put in it right now. I've got 1 can of Great Value tomato sauce. I'm going to put that in here, and I'm going to go get some water to rinse this out. And I've got Prego, the 45-ounce jar of Prego Traditional. And I'm going to pour half of that in here. And I'm going to get water to go. Let's see. No, I'm going to pour all of this in here. And I've got to go get water, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, now I have got everything ready. I have put probably 2.5 teaspoons of kosher salt in here, and I've put 1 teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. I can't get to my seasonings over here, or I would have put some of those in too. Alright, so I'm going to put in, I don't know, about 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to stir this up. Alright. And I went and got the Prego bottle. I put water in it, and I've got it rinsed out. I put some in the can and rinsed it out too, and then poured it in here. So you can see this is about 1/3 of this can, bottle, whatever you want to call it, of the water. And right now I'm going to go on and break up the spaghetti. I'm using 1 pound of classic spaghetti. Alright. This is hard to do when you're not over the table and you don't have anything. Alright, so I'm gonna break this in half and hope that I've got the strength to do that. Alright, and I'm going to, I hope y'all can see, I'm laying it across this way now. This is going to go across this way, and then this is going to go across this way. And you push this down in there, but you don't mix this up. See, I've got a little bit more to go. All right. I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of this. I'm going to go across this way. And then I'm going to go across this way. All right, and that's all the spaghetti. I'm going to mash it down in here. And then I'm going to pour this water or whatever over this spaghetti. All right. It looks like it's not going to... I'm going to have to make sure that this is down under the sauce. Daggone, I'm just breaking it everywhere. You want all of your sauce and all to be, your water or whatever, to be covering this. I guess I don't have enough sauce in here for all this. Let's see if I can get it pushed down in here. Your sauce has got to be covering, the sauce and the water has got to be covering the noodles, the spaghetti noodles. So I'm kind of pushing it down in there, push and push, and get it broken. And the water that I used from the spaghetti, to clean out the cans, that's going to be the water that I will use that will make this come up to pressure. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty much all covered. All right. All right, now I'm going to go on. I'm going to put my lid on. All right, so there it is. The pressure lid is on. I'm going to make sure it's on sealing. Let me get y'all down here to where you can see this. I'm going to go pressure. It's on high. I'm going to take it to 8 minutes. I want this to go 8 minutes, and then I'm going to press start. And as soon as this comes down, as soon as this cooks, the pressure, I'll let it out. I'll bring y'all back right then. Okay, y'all, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is saying W-A-T-R. So, I got to put some more water in here, y'all. All right, I just wanted to show you. I don't know if you can see it. This is the first time with anything that I've ever seen that. So I've got to turn it off and put some more water in it, and I will bring y'all back. Okay, so y'all can hear it. What did I do with my spoon? Okay, I must have taken it into the kitchen. All right, so it's really nothing I can do now but just hope that this doesn't stick. Well, I guess I better take the top off. I've got about another cup of water. All right. Turn it off. Let's hope. Let's see. Let me get this water down in there some. Y'all, this is the first time I've had that happen to me in all my years of cooking. Well, it hasn't been that long I've had an Instant Pot or whatever. It's been a while. My first one was the Power Pressure Cooker XL. And then I got the Instant Pot. And now I have the Foodi. Alright, so we're going to put this back on there. Hope it isn't. Put it back to vent. I'm going to turn it on. Press pressure on high. Go back to 8 and then start it. Okay, y'all, let's hope that it'll come up this time. Well, y'all, it did it again. So I guess I'm just going to have to do it on, hope that it's going to be done. I'm going to put it on sear saute, and just because I'm not going to worry about it, it's too runny in there now, so I don't know what's going on with it. Oh well, this is a completely fail, but the spaghetti's going to be okay because I'm not going to let it go bad. Bring you back. Okay, as long as this took trying to come up to pressure, the spaghetti's already done, so I'm just waiting for the kids to get here, and we're gonna eat, and I'll bring you back and let you know how this spaghetti tastes, even though it was cooked in the Ninja Foodi, but it wasn't really cooked in the Ninja Foodi. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so we're getting ready to eat dinner, and there's Kylie, and there's Camden.
I can't wait to taste it.
And they're going to taste it and let y'all know, let me know what it tastes like.
It may be hot.
Yeah, it might be a little hot.
Mine's not. It's good.
Does it taste okay? Is it spaghetti done and all?
Yes.
The noodles?
Yeah.
All right, you like it?
Yeah.
They got bread. I got cucumbers with mine. Let's see, here's mine. Now I've got cucumbers with mine. All right, well, this is what is for dinner tonight. It's Friday night. The kids are going to be with me for the next week, and I'll have them every week, every other week. They'll be here from Friday afternoon to the next Friday afternoon. So you'll be seeing a lot of them, and they'll be eating here with me a lot. And so I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and also for links of things that I use in my kitchen and you can purchase at Amazon. So I hope y'all have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.